In today's video, I'm going to teach you how TEMU affiliate program works and how to register. If you've ever wanted to earn commissions by sharing products online, then the TEMU affiliate program can be a great way to get started. Whether you are a content creator, social media user, blogger, or someone who enjoys sharing shopping deals with friends and followers, this program allows you to earn rewards when people use your referral links to shop on TEMU. To begin, you first need to understand how the TEMU affiliate program works. Once you join the program, TEMU provides you with a unique affiliate link or referral code that is connected to your account. You can then share these links on platforms such as Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, blogs, forums, or other online communities. When someone clicks your link, Get the TEMU app, or places an order through your referral, you may earn commissions or bonuses depending on the program terms and your region. According to TEMU's affiliate information, users can earn commissions from qualifying purchases and may also receive rewards for app add to device completed through their referral links. The platform also provides a dashboard where affiliates can monitor clicks, referrals, and earnings in one place. Now let's go through the registration process. Start by visiting the official TEMU affiliate page using your browser. Once the page opens, look for the Get Started or Registration button and click on it. You will then be asked to create or log into your TEMU account before continuing. After signing in, fill out the registration form with the required details. This usually includes basic account information and the platforms where you plan to promote TEMU products, such as your social media pages, website, or online community links. Once you complete the form, submit your application for review. If your application is approved, you will gain access to the affiliate dashboard. Inside the dashboard, you can browse products, generate referral links, copy promotional codes, and track your performance and commissions. TEMU also provides promotional materials and ready-to-share content that can help make sharing easier. One important thing to remember is that affiliate earnings and eligibility may vary depending on your country or region. Some users online have also reported differences in click tracking and commission processing, so it is always a good idea to carefully review the program rules and payment terms before heavily promoting products. And that is how the TEMU affiliate program works and how you can register to start sharing products and earning commissions online. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.